Today the topic of our video is motor cable size calculation, and we will explain this calculation with complete practical example. Why is cable size important? Selecting the correct cable size is essential because it prevents cable overheating, reduces voltage drop, improves energy efficiency, ensures safe operation, increases cable life. And wrong cable size can lead to motor failure, fire hazards, frequent tripping, energy losses. What information required to select correct cable size? Before selecting a cable, we should have motor power, kilowatt or horsepower, supply voltage, power factor, efficiency, cable length, installation method, ambient temperature. Formula for full load current calculation for three-phase motor. I equals P multiply by 1000, divided by under root 3, multiply by voltage, multiply by power factor and multiply by efficiency. Where I equals current, ampere, P equals power, kW, V equals voltage, volt, PF equals power factor, E2 equals efficiency. Let's understand this by practical example as we do in our videos. We have a motor with following specifications. Motor rating equals 30 kilowatts, voltage equals 415 V. Power factor equals 0.85. Efficiency equals 90%. Now we will put the values in the formula to calculate the full load current. Let's calculate the current. P is 30 times 1000, divided by 1.732 times 415 volts times 0.85 power factor times 0.90 is efficiency. Got the current 54.6 ampere. So approximate current is 55 ampere. Selecting cable size. According to standard cable current ratings. Since motor current is 55 A. Recommended cable equals 16 square millimeters in copper. Voltage drop check. Voltage drop should generally be less than 5%. If cable length is very long, increase cable size, reduce voltage loss. Factors affecting cable size: ambient temperature, cable grouping, underground installation, cable length, starting current, future load expansion. And what we do: the common mistakes. Never select cable only by motor HP. Always consider current, voltage drop, installation method, derating factors. Here are few quick tips. Always use ISIEC cable rating tables. Select one size higher if the cable run is long. Check breaker and cable coordination. Follow local electrical standards. Conclusion of this tutorial video is: now you know how to calculate motor current, cable size, and voltage drop consideration. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.